One of the most powerful things about the SeekShot series of thermal cameras is the ability to edit photos back at the office or even in the field right after you've captured a photo. Let's go ahead and edit a photo we've saved on the device. First, tap the screen to bring up the menus, and then you're going to want to go to your gallery. Tap Gallery. All right, now let's edit this photo. To edit, tap on this icon here, which is the pen icon. Now you can see that it brings up all the analysis tools that we had during live active imaging. So the first thing I want to do is change the color palette. Right now it's black and white. Let's change to something different. So let's change to this color here. And if I want to see what that looks like in full screen, just tap anywhere in the active image to disable my menus, and there we go. Now I want to continue to edit this photo, so tap on the screen to bring up the menus. Let's go ahead and change the view mode. Right now we're thermal only. Tap the view mode icon. I want to change this to a fusion image, which gives me a blend of thermal and visible. And you can see that the fusion adjustment tools show up. Let's adjust the blend of this a little bit. So I'm going to disable the menus to get better full screen image. And I'll drag the left bar up and down to give me something that looks good. Let's say about there, so I can really get some context of what's happening in the scene as well as the thermal image. Now, if I tap on the menus, tap on the screen to bring up the menus. Now let's say I want to add some analysis markers on here to see exactly what the temperature of that center hotspot is. I'll tap this tool icon, and let's say I want to tap a 3-point icon. Let's see, I'll go ahead and add 2, and I want to drag this leftmost icon over here into the black or into the darker, cooler regions, and I'll move this center icon right as best I can, right on that hotspot there. That's pretty close. So now I got a good reading of areas that are of interest to me, and I can use this image later in a report, etc. Let's go ahead and save this. So touch the check icon, and then you'll be presented with overwrite, so I can overwrite this existing image and it loses the original data, or I can save it as a brand new copy so I don't mess up or lose my original image. Let's go ahead and save this as a copy so I keep the original as well.